Welcome to Dino's Playroom, and on today's episode, we are going to have a very special monster truck story time. And today's story, we are going to read a book by Tedd Arnold called Fly Guy Presents Monster Trucks. A boy had a pet fly named Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say the boy's name. Buzz. Buzz and Fly Guy arrived at a big stadium. Are you ready to see some monster trucks? Monsters. Fly Guy hid behind Buzz's cap. Not those kinds of monsters, Buzz explained, giggling. I'm talking about monster trucks. They raced inside to learn more. Monster trucks are monster-sized vehicles with giant tires. Each monster truck stands nearly 11 feet tall and weighs more than 12,000 pounds. Wow, there's Blue Thunder. That's almost the same size as a T-Rex. The first monster trucks were built using huge tires called flotation tires. These tires were originally made to keep big farm equipment from getting stuck in the mud. Today's monster trucks use special versions of these tires made just for competition. A monster truck tire is 66 inches tall. Wowzee! Here we have Earth Shaker and Grave Digger. Having tall tires means monster trucks can climb and roll over just about anything. Monster trucks can steer with both their front wheels and their back wheels. Each driver uses a steering wheel to control the front wheels. They use switches to control the back wheels. There's their steering wheel. Rear steer switch. Because they have rear steering, monster trucks can make sharp turns and do high-speed spins. These spins are called donuts. Oh, you can see Monster Mutt and Pirate's Curse doing donuts. And there's the dirt arena. Before the car was invented, people depended on horses to get around. This is where the term horsepower comes from. Car companies use horsepower to measure how powerful an engine is. Normal trucks only need the power of 300 horses. A monster truck has 5 times the horsepower of a normal truck. So there's a normal truck with 300 horsepowers. There's Grave Digger, and he has 5 times that. So 300 times 5 equals 1,500. A monster truck has the power of 1,500 horses. Monster trucks do a lot of crushing and crashing. Their bodies are usually made of a special type of plastic called fiberglass. This helps make the trucks lighter and safer. Custom fiberglass molds can make trucks look like animals or other creatures, like a zombie. The monster truck Megalodon has a shark-like body made out of foam. There's Megalodon. To be even safer, drivers also wear helmets and fireproof suits. Monster trucks don't just crush a lot, they cost a lot. The most expensive monster trucks in the world cost almost $300,000 to build. Making a monster truck also takes time. It can take anywhere from 3 months to a year to build a monster truck. That's because monster trucks have a lot of different components, such as the frame, the skeleton of the truck, the body, which covers the frame of the truck, the cage, which protects the driver inside the frame, the engine that powers the truck, and the tires that make the truck roll. When monster trucks hit the track, they perform all sorts of monster tricks. Sometimes it takes years for drivers to master stunts and moves, like big air. This is when a truck flies through the air, soaring over cars or other obstacles. The wheelie, this is when a truck drives around on its back tires. The nose wheelie, this is when a truck balances on its front tires instead of its rear tires. The backflip, this is when a truck does a complete backflip after speeding up a ramp and lands safely back on its tires. The bicycle, this is when a truck balances on 2 of its side wheels. Today, monster trucks are pushing the limits with backflips, corkscrews, and 2-wheel trucks. In 2009, Tom Mintz and the truck Maximum Destruction, or MAX-D, landed the first ever complete monster truck backflip. Flipping a 12,000-pound truck is like flipping an elephant. In 2017, 20-year-old Tyler Meninga set the record for the world's longest nose wheelie, over 1 minute, in the legendary monster truck Gravedigger. On my nose. Performing all those extreme stunts is dangerous. That's why safety is important. Every monster truck has special devices that can turn off its engine in case of an emergency. These are called RIIs, Remote Ignition Interrupters. A track official has a handheld RII that works a lot like a cell phone. Buttons. There they are. Monster trucks are not allowed on regular roads because of their size. The tracks inside monster truck arenas and stadiums are custom made. Monster trucks race on a J-shaped track, a circle track, or a straight line track to finish. Line wins. There's the circle track. There's the J-shaped track. And there's the straight line track. Monster truck tires roll best on dirt. Dump trucks deliver it before each event, and front loaders push it around to form hills and ramps. Track crews use about 15 million pounds of dirt in total. That is a lot of dirt. Once the dirt is set, work trucks come in to lightly water it before the main event. This helps the monster trucks grip the track and pick up speed. Monster trucks use special gas called methanol, a fuel made from natural gas. Monster trucks burn 2.5 gallons of methanol in under 2 minutes. And there's Fly Guy. He says, gas it up. In freestyle events, drivers do as many tricks and stunts as they can before time runs out. These could include jumps, flips, crushing cars, or everyone's favorite, amazing saves. A save is when a driver avoids a crash at the last second. There's Pirate's Curse crushing. And there's Gravedigger doing a save. People all over the world love monster trucks. In 2002, Paris, France hosted the first monster truck event outside of North America. Since then, monster trucks have toured the globe. There have been many races in places like Mexico, Australia, and Japan. Monster trucks and monster truck events have millions of fans. What a wild ride, said Buzz. We learned a lot about monster trucks today. Fly Guy and Buzz could not wait for their next field trip. And there's Buzz and the monster truck doing a nose wheel-see. All right, monster trucks, what did you think? If you like monster trucks and monster truck races and stories and challenges, please hit that subscribe button because we have a lot of fun on Dino's Playroom.